So we have the stick distant cousin right here. Excellent.
So what are we doing?
Turn this way. I mean. Okay, so.
Well, we're waiting.
Welcome to day 2. Yesterday we took some of the car off the car, I guess, including this morning. And basically for today, the first thing you are going to work on is basically the rear brakes.
Yeah, so I've just recently added in the rear suspension, so put the new tine in there, so I'm gonna finish that up, button it up, and then once I'm done with that, I'm gonna switch and button up the new brakes, brake pads, clean them up, paint it, put it all back together, and then very quickly move on to the transmission. We gotta put in the new clutch, make sure that's good to go, and that's step 2 for me.
For me today, I'm gonna prepare the front bumper. It's missing a bunch of grooves and holes, so I need to template them, mark them. We got the drill bit for it. I need to make them happen. There is a little crack somewhere that I'm gonna fix too. Most likely during transport, it's on one of the tip. So the goal is basically to have the rear of the suspension brake done and the body kit done today.
Yeah, so. And that would be a big success. So I'm excited.
Let's go fail.
Yeah, and fail quickly.
Yes.
Should we go full sparks and grind it off? Or, you know, with a cutting wheel?
Yeah.
Or should we go Sawzall? Your choice.
I mean, I like sparks.
That was my first choice.
Okay, so I'm about to. Okay, let's close the door.
Yep.
If you don't need
that.
Battery low.
Reminds me of the old skit, Arnold's Pizza Shop. Don't fuck around.
Okay.
Get a better look at it here.
Okay, so quickly, I have to transfer all the side, but we're discovering that the new kit is lower by quite a bit.
What happened?
That battery is that too?
So our 27.1 brake kit, we have to put this bracket on here to accommodate the caliper.
Sometimes my genius is, it's almost frightening.
So part of what we got to do is cut the dust shield just a bit. Not a lot, just a bit here. So I'm gonna go ahead and make some sparks. Cut it up.
Do it.
There we are, all done.
Happy?
Oh yeah.
What's happening outside? What was that noise?
Car parts?
Car parts.
Hashtag car parts.
The only way to make it better would be to have black like ink, so that when we don't have the black light on, nobody can see it.
Gone in 60 seconds stuff.
Yeah.
I do have a black light, I just don't have a black light pen.
You know where the black light is? In the bedroom. I'm sleeping in on the bed. I'm like, should I turn it on? I'm like, nah, I'm not.
No.
Hey, can I turn off everything but the black lights?
Sure, I don't care about anything.
Cool.
Wow, this place is gross!
Marker comes right off. So where are we writing?
Mount. So once everything is mounted, 3M tape.
I don't even know where to begin with that. See instructions.
Don't you want your last minute instructions?
Yeah, you're right.
And the wing.
Oh, fuck.
So apparently, the manufacturer is saying that this will be held by this at speed. Opinion.
Road tested, 180 miles an hour all the way.
James, what are you doing? Explain to us what you're doing.
So all I'm doing is to try and dress this up just a little bit. So this is sand cast iron. So I'm just trying to brush it up a little bit so it looks a little more finished. So get rid of some of the casting marks, clean it up, make it nicer, so that when I paint it, it looks a little more upscale, if you will, without even doing anything but 20 minutes. Special high temperature caliper paint, good for 1,000 degrees.
So there we go.
900.
We're not using house paints.
No.
So you're working a bit the metal and then a nice coat of red.
Yeah, we'll put a coat of red to match the front, and it'll look pretty cool.
Amazing.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so as you can tell, the S2000 is butt naked, but also less exhaust. And here is the thing, we took the rear out and we took some of the front out too. So when we go here, as you can tell, ta-da! Now the front bumper doesn't quite fit. We're still working with the bracket. That's one of the things we're working on right now, making sure the body kit fits. So the S2000 is as undone as can be, but we'll keep working and we'll keep you posted. So what is a telltale sign that someone tried to break into your car?
Well, allow me to show you. I can tell you all of the telltale signs. So number one, so if you see all the scratches here, number one. Number two, if you open up the door, obviously somebody tried to break in here. I don't know who it would be, but that's obviously somebody trying to get in, unlock the door. Look at all the scratches right there. Definitely right there.
Yeah. So the funny part about that truck, if I'm right, is that if you leave the key inside, it locks, yes?
Yes, something like that.
Yeah. So what we're saying is that that's a crappy truck.
It's custom. That's what we're gonna call it.
We went to the store to pick up some much needed equipment, to fix a few things, to send a few things. We got locked out of the car. It's okay, we broke in the car. Good job, buddy.
Thanks for watching our videos. Hope you like them. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have time, go check us out on other social medias to see what's going on.